Reverend Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Open Source Technology. And today's session is on Query and Remove Software Packages with RPM Part 1. In my previous video, I have already discussed about RPM. So here some commands in Linux are discussed. RPM is basically the Red Hat package manager, and this is a command line package management utility which is used for installing, uninstalling, updating, querying and verifying software packages. So in this, I will explain some of the most common Linux RPM commands for a system admin. So there are some of the RPM based Linux distros are like Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora and OpenSUSE. So Yum and DNF are front ends for RPM management, which have more features and cloud overcome the limitations it has. Now, how to get RPM packages? There are several methods which are available to get the RPM packages as shown below. The first is the software CD or DVD, CentOS OS Mirror, Red Hat this Neat account and an open repository websites. So their basic modes for RPM commands are: first is to install, remove, upgrade, or you can query or verify. So for the installation, it is used to install any RPM package. Remove means you have to erase or remove, or you can say uninstall any RPM package. Upgrade means the existing RPM package you have to upgrade it. Querying means it is possible to query any RPM package. So in the verify, it is used to verify RPM packages. So the examples are GeoIP applications. You see here like GeoIP 1.5.0. This is the RPM package library for country, city, organization to IPA address or host name mapping. So this GeoIP is the package name, version is this, and release is 7 and architecture is this. So if you want to install this, then how to know information of RPM package without installing? After we have downloading the package and we want to know this information package, so before installing we use this -gip option to the list of the information of a package. So you see here, you type this -igp and the whole the thing will display without installing, like GeoIP, version, release and all this information you can see here. Now how to install RPM package? So for this you can use -ivh parameters to install a particular package as shown below. Like you see in this box, like sudo RPM, and this one, and this is the output, and the third one is how to check an installed RPM package. For this we can use -q option, package name. It will show whether an RPM package installed or not. So by using -q option, this is the package name, you see the output of this, you can see here. Now the next one is the how to list all files for particular installed RPM package. In this we can list all the files of an installed RPM packages. So by using -gl option with RPM commands, you see these are the information while you type this command like -gl. This information will display on your screen. So next is the how to list recently installed RPM packages. In this we can use -ga option with just last, and it will list all the recently installed RPM packages. So you see here These are the list which you can see in your screen. The next is the how to install RPM package without dependencies. For this we can use this dash IVH parameters with no deep stands for no dependencies check. So to install a particular package without dependencies, you see here. And the next is the how to replace RBM package method. For this we can use dash IVH replace PKG's parameters to replace a particular package which is installed as shown below. When you type, or you can say you type this, so you display this information in your screen. Then come to the remove. How to uninstall RPM package? By using dash E parameter, you have to or you can say you can uninstall this particular package without dependencies. Now the next is the upgrade. In this, how to upgrade RPM package install. So for this we can use dash UVJ VH parameter to upgrade a particular package installed as shown below. And the next is the query. How to query all installed packages. So for this we can use dash A parameters along with Q to query all installed packages to the packages on the server as shown below. Like this, you see all the all the necessary information on your screen. The next is the how to query particular package. For this you need to type grep command for find out a particular package which is installed or not. So you can, if that software is, that package is installed, it will show in your screen, otherwise it will not shown. Okay. So the next is the how to query a file that belongs which RPM package. In this example, we type a command to list all files of an installed RPM package. So now we want to use, we want to know by using this UCR lib64 this file belongs to which RPM package. So you type here this and see the output like this. You will see on the screen. Now next is the verify. In the verify, you use dash I. Okay, dash I parameters along with Q to get the information for a particular package. So you will get all the information regarding that package. Now the next is the how to verify a RPM package. We can verify a package by comparing information of installed files of the package to the RPM database, and by using dash VP options you have to, or you can say you can verify these packages. Next is how to verify all RPM packages. We can verify all the installed RPM packages by using dash VA option verify all. So you see here in this screen. Okay, so this is all about today's session, and this session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.